Oh, good morning, everybody. So, just spent our night there in Munduk in this lovely accommodation. It's a beautiful day today. So we'll have a little quick look. Good morning, Indonesia. Anyway, we're gonna go get some breakfast now, and we're packing up our bags, ready. Gonna go pick up our new bike, and then we're gonna go and see some waterfalls and things, aren't we, darling? We are indeed. All right, so this is it. Right, so we just picked up the new ride, and we just pulled over because it's a bit nippy out here. Artie's gonna pop the trunk. Look at that, she knows all about scooters now. Anyway, this is what we got, what we're working with. Art. We've got the Honda
Vario.
Vario 125, sitting on 20s. We've got the needle dial on this one. They've been kind enough to give us 1 bar of fuel. This one's got special pockets here for dog treats on the sides here, so I can just launch them at all the dogs in that as we go past. Just give them a little snack because that's how we roll. And yeah, we're just gonna get some more clothes on now because it is a bit fresh out here considering the sun's out. Still a little fresh up in these mountains and that. So we're just gonna bust that. We've even got the Honda helmet as well. We mean business now. Right, and then we're gonna go to some waterfalls, so we'll see you there because I ain't filming it and driving it at the same time. Safety first. Quick pit stop to take some pictures of the lake. Oh, that's in the photographic pose. She means business. Just parked the bad boy up, and now we're at the first waterfall. What's it called, darling? Banyumala. You don't know. Alright, let's go and have a little look, eh?
Ouch.
As always, health and safety is of the strictest concern here. And here we are. So here we are, sweetie. Alright, that's one done. Where are we off to next? Kroya. That's right. Let's do it. She eating it. It's okay, darling. Is that yummy? Yeah. Oh, you good girl.
Try our one, nothing in here.
Sure. There you go. All right. Here we are at waterfall number 2, but a little surprise. There's 3 waterfalls down here. And we were just saying, he's brought the right footwear for today.
As usual.
As usual for doing all hiking and that. She's always thinking, here's the rope swing and the cursed child bird's nest round thing. Lovely. I'll swerve that. Not interested. Another one. We made it. Alright, so just took some nice naked pictures and videos underneath this waterfall here. Come out lovely and got rainbows in it, as well as all my other stuff. Oh, it's lovely. This is a great one, this. There's no one around. And we've got 3 waterfalls. It's brilliant. Isn't it, Art? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to get on to the next one over there now. Don't want to get our heads over underneath that. With that height, the force on the dome, nah, might end up like someone we don't want to be. This place is wicked, like, not only is it very beautiful, there's a little beauty there. We've been here for like an hour now, and there's still not been a single person down. It's brilliant. No one around. Take your time. We've got 3 different waterfalls here. This one and the back one there are my favourite. The other one in the middle is a bit not all that. But yeah, I've got some great videos of me pretending I'm on Naked and Afraid, like being naked and that, and some videos and that, and some pictures and stuff as well. I wasn't up for her doing it, but whatever. She got some nice pictures and videos of her in her bikini. And I'm going to get a drone out now and show you this place from a different perspective. So cue the B-roll. We've just left the place. Got quite a few stairs back up. Have a little pit stop. How you feeling, darling?
Fine.
She's feeling fat. And we'll go all the way up here. Wingari Hidden Valley Waterfalls and Adventure. Wingari. It's a bad boy. Alright, she's a good girl. Alright, back on the bike now. Heading to another waterfall. I'm quite a waterfall down, aren't you? Should we go get some strawberries instead?
Yeah.
Let's go get some strawberries instead, man. 4 waterfalls in a day. I think that's enough, isn't it? We're not going to get better than that, are we?
Oh, where's my glasses?
Oh no. You have to go and get them.
Have you got them?
I ain't got them.
Have I lost them?
I don't know. Have a look in your bag. She's loving it. And this is what we like to do. We don't usually document it, but we buy a load of cat food and dog food, and we feed them all.
Can you give me some more?
Sure. Should we try some cat food? Nom 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 nom. Gorgeous.
I want to take you home. If your mother would be happy with you as well. And some water. And some water. I think she's had enough. Oh.
She's a good girl. She's loving. All right then. Now let's get some food, eh? Ready?
Good.
Sure. She's loving them. There you go, darling. Wee. See you later, gorgeous. Bye-bye, darling.
Oh, bye, baby.
Bye, darling. Parked up for a bit of lunch at the Giriwood Hotel and Villa. Quite fancy.
Oh, look. Thank you.
Right, you ready for some magic? This here is butterfly pea. Add some lime juice. Give it a little mix. Look at that. Shazam.
So tasty.
Spot of lunch. That's you. We've got a unicorn. We like unicorns. Right, just got back to the hotel. And I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day now. Yeah. Maybe have a little walk about here or something, but yeah, that's enough driving about for one day. So many hills and that around here, it's mad. And yeah, just can't really be asked to get back on the bike. So we're gonna chill here, get dinner, watch a movie. Gonna take the drone out there in a bit, have a little fly about, and just chill out. Yeah. That's the plan. So if I don't see you for the rest of the day, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, cheerio. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Right, we've just been packing up all of our gear, sorting it all out, getting rid of stuff we don't need. Packing our bags for tomorrow morning's hike. Just preparing the itinerary, getting all that shit together, because if you fail to prepare, what happens up?
You fail.
You prepare to, you fail, yeah. Prepare to fail. All right. Fucked that up, didn't you? Right, anyway, we're gonna go get some breakfast now. It's 8:30 in the morning. Matey boy, Alid, is gonna come pick us up at 12 o'clock. Then we're gonna be making our long drive all the way to the coast, the west coast of Bali. Then we're gonna get the ferry over to another island, and then a bit more of a journey. Then check into our hotel, have a rest for a few hours, and then 1 o'clock in the morning, the hike begins. All right, so I'll see you. Going for breakfast now. Two hours until pick up. All right, sorting out the hotel. She's awesome, that's her job. We both got our jobs here at St. Journey. I'm the designated driver. I deal with the cash. He deals with the hotels.
Oh, he does everything else.
What else do you do? That's it. It's got nothing else. And, oh, she does the washing sometimes. She'll clean my pants and hang them out on the bouts. Yeah. And just scrub my back sometimes as well, in the literal sense. Not like, just got to scratch my back. That's the term, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, a couple of hours to kill till matey boy comes pick us up. So we're just catching some rays now. Beautiful scenic views. You hear a dog in the background. Sounds like Mr. Cookie. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, excuse me. I must be allergic to really beautiful people watching this video. You'll have to excuse me. Alright, buy a room. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Scared.
She's scared.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And we're off. There's...
How are you? Hey, I'm Ali. Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you, Alex.
Nice
Hey,
to meet you.
Alex.
Hi, David.
Nice to meet you, Major.
Yes, so You ready to go?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Long drive
I have
to.
another question for you
Yes.
about the mountain.
Oh, can I bring my bag? Listen.
No.
But that is quite expensive there, the trolley.
Just don't want to get the tickets.
Like in Japan, a little island.
Right, so we just stopped. So Aladir can get our tickets for the boat. I think it's for the boat, isn't it? For the ferry. And Artie needs a wee.
Need a wee.
Let's go there. Look. Alright. All packed up. Ready to go. Is that the Munduk terminal? Boat terminal? Let's go. Let's do it. Is that for me?
Yes.
Alright.
Asian girls.
Yeah.
They are mostly not very strong,
No.
but they make it. They made it.
yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
they made it. All the people from Singapore, Malaysia. Not far.
It's a crusty boat we're getting on. Hello, hello.
Hello, it's Manning.
Hello.
I'm jumping money.
Are you the captain? You're the captain, yeah?
Em, pas không? Lompat không?
Besok ya.
This is just like the Mananan or the Ben McCree back home, but shitter. We're on it, so we're going to be going over here. But neither one of these are going to be the ones that we're going to be climbing. The one we're going to be climbing is situated behind these. You can't see it from here. These are all volcanoes. Right, Alan's got it. Got us here nice and safe. Yeah, in one piece. Loving it. Watching a bit of telly.
Indonesian song.
Nice. You can just smoke on this as well. Make your boys smoking over there. Refreshments behind us. Beautiful. So when you're on the boat, this geezer here, he asks if you want a massage. I thought he was asking for our passes, and I was just pointing out. Hello there. He said, nah man, he's asking for a massage. I said, nah mate. Classic. It's gonna drop. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearly there. Coming for you, Volkies. I'm coming to climb you. Y'all better be ready. Hey, sweetie.
Hey.
Just passing the time watching some of their videos, are ya? certainly is, darling. And I encourage everybody watching this to abolish the pictures, or maybe just do a little bit. Videos.
Yeah, what we do, a few pictures and loads of videos.
That's right, sweetie. That's right. You do the pictures, I do the videos.
I also do videos.
You do. Not very often though, do you?
My camera's full of videos.
Oh, Adisha.
Shut the fuck up.
You're still in all my lines, all my games, oh yeah. Oh, Adisha. Oh, get the trolley in the morning to go volcano. Adisha. Oh, Adisha.
So please double check your phone.
Here we are. Alright.
Very white skin
Yeah.
peoples or
Yeah, like-
tourists.
That me.
Yeah, coming here, so everyone's like, they are seeing for you for a long, long time. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's different with Bali.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess everyone that comes here is just going to do the hike.
Yeah.
Are they, yeah?
Just do the hike and then back to Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here, so a lot of tourists asking me about it.
Yeah.
So any tourists around here? So,
You can see from the car, look all of them, look all of them.
sometimes they come to you and then
I take a picture?
take a picture with you.
Alright, cool.
So he's my friend, Dino.
Hey Dino.
Hey,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
welcome to Java.
We see us.
Lid, besok sama saudaraku aja ya. Aku diajar dulu. Bensin sekarang apa? Besok apa gimana? Nanti aku kasih kamu aja berapa gininya?
Ya, ya.
Biar kita di sudah.
Ya, biar istirahat saja.
Look, there's a time change.
For people like us, Indonesian people, doesn't have any
Like I told you,
exercise.
Oh,
like I
yeah.
told you before,
Yeah.
Indonesian and Asian people. But they made it. I mean, there's only a small number of the people doing that. Mostly they climb bit by bit.
Yeah, yeah.
And
It's okay, we'll go slow.
Don't worry, slowly is okay.
Adang, adang.
adeng polisi. And so you can have it in the hotel.
Okay.
Traditional car wash.
It's like 5 until 6 in a week.
Really? So you have one day off?
1 day off.
I bet you go for a few pairs of shoes a month then, don't you?
You can say that. About 1 hour.
Right, we're here. Oh, it's quite nice.
So, but don't worry, no pressure.
It's already, pressure is there.
I'm giving her pressure, mate. I'm giving her loads of pressure. Got proper pigeons here.
picture of tigers.
Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. He's sleeping.
For you, you can take it from 10 to 9.
Right?
Okay, so breakfast start from 7 to 10.
Okay, so when we come back.
Yeah, when you come back, so just go straight to the restaurant and eat breakfast.
We're gonna get some sleep with this. Oh. I wanna fucking pack that in.
Yeah, it's great that in Bali they're not allowed to do it.
Yeah.
Gimana game? Apa ya? Hotelnya kan sana ya? Oh yeah.
So, Dino, in the morning we come
Dino.
to reception.
Yeah, I will wait you here.
Yes,
I will-
Right here.
I'll come back
Okay.
here. No problem.
Okay, fine.
So I will stay here as well.
Oh, okay,
Probably
cool.
somewhere around here, or probably talking a little bit with Dino.
Oh yeah, cool.
And then have rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is your room. One. Oh, this one. All right. So
Cool.
take a bit rest, and I
Yeah.
will see you
We'll see you in the morning.
in the morning. Yeah,
12:30, yeah?
Yeah.
12:30.
See you
Alright.
at night.
Yeah, see you at night.
Right.
And if you need something to eat, you can call to restaurant.
Reception.
Yeah,
Oh, we'll
reception.
just have a walk.
You can have a walk,
Yeah,
or you
we'll-
can call
Yeah, we'll walk there.
100 to the restaurant.
Okay.
Dial 100.
Okay.
Cool.
All right then.
All right,
So
guys.
thank you so much,
Nice one.
David.
Right.
Okay.
See you in the morning, alright?
Yeah, see you too.
Tonight, yeah? At 12:30.
Have rest.
Yes. Alright, you have rest as well, okay?
Yeah.
We're counting on you in the morning, alright?
But he's
Make
young,
one.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
See you later, guys.
Can't hear it so much in here.
Alright, so this is our account for a few hours.
Nice basic.
Oh, okay.
Look on the bed.
Oh, major then. Alright,
Let's go get some grub.
get some grub. First off, I've got to do my thing. Let me do my thing. Right, so we've got double bed, 28-inch. Bad man.
The answer is 2.33 feet.
I didn't ask you anything, sir. We've got a bit of tea and coffee. Let's check the bathroom. Oh, that ain't working.
What's that?
Is it a stick your card in the thingy thing? There we go. Alright. Not a bad bathroom. Nice toilet. Proper toilet. Shower.
Will do.
Gonna be rinsing off a hell of a lot of sweat in the morning to see what the view's like. Look at that. Look at the view, darling. Look, whoa, you can see up into the mountains and everything. See right up there. That's really cool, eh? Proper.
How can this be a deluxe room?
This is deluxe. This is proper deluxe. What else we got going on? Oh, we've got a fridge here. What's in the fridge? Fully stocked, as usual. As usual. Slippers. Grand Harvest slippers. Hangers. So yeah. Oh, look at the curtain rail. See?
Dave, stop it now.
AC. Get the AC on, girl.
You get it on.
Alright, sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some munch now, and then get in the bed and get some sleep because it is. Oh, we've just lost an hour as well. As soon as you cross the water over here, oh, you gain an hour. As soon as you cross that bit of water. As soon as you cross that little bits of sea there, your watch gains an hour there. So yeah, we've lost an hour's sleep already. We've got to be up at 12:30. We've got to be out the door at 12:30. That's where Dino and Alid are going to be picking us up. Driving for an hour to the bottom of the volcano, and then the fun begins. Yeah, got some rice fields out here. Yeah, it's happening. Right, still seeing a bit. Oh wow, there are other people here. If they are workers, usually it does. Oh, hey little fish.
I gave them these.
How's she going? I think we're the only ones that are staying in this whole hotel.
I think so.
No one around, apart from the workers. Oh shit! We're just following the music now. Let's go and have a little dance before our trek, yeah? Oh! Spartans, what is your profession? Oh. What is your profession? I'm a potter.
I'm a potter.
You're a potter. 5th anniversary, they're having a party. So this is the restaurant, gotta listen to this. We ain't sleeping. Right.
Yeah, we're definitely not sleeping.
Yeah.
We're just gonna be.
So we just ordered half the menu because we can. And now we've just got the view of the 5th anniversary, smashing it. Complimentary.
Super sweet. You have this.
Oh, is it ginger tea?
Yeah.
Ooh, naughty. Alright. And now we're just gonna relax now. Maybe do a bit of karaoke in a bit or something, who knows? Nice bar behind us. That's right. What's
I
happening?
wouldn't mind a glass of wine, but no point.
No, not when you've got a big trek bit in front of you, darling. Yeah. So we just gate crashed the staff party. It's all happening today. We've got a couple more white people down here just come in, so we don't feel like complete like, where are we? We're in the right place. But yeah, everyone's got a cool green t-shirt on apart from us. He's got a Santa hat. He's a little premature. So we'll starve ourselves. That's what they're thinking. Whilst we're here just ordering the whole menu. And I've just been teaching Artie about the old bar blades. Yeah, the bar blades. You know about these? You know about these? You go. So I've been trying to teach Artie the skill.
Yeah, Artie knows it.
She knows now.
Apparently.
She just cracked her tooth trying. Get away from the bottles, you. Alright, go on then. So don't.
So, yeah.
No pressure. Yep. Alright, yeah, a little bit more finesse in it though. Yeah, go on. That's it. Yeah, you're getting better. Yeah, you're getting there. Getting there, skill. That's it. And then pretend that you've got a bottle in that hand, yeah, and you're just about to do it. Yeah?
Try not to break it.
Yeah, can I have a bin tank, please, darling? That's it. Pop. That's how you roll, and then you sling it back in your back pocket once you're done, yeah? But you ain't ready for that. Yeah, don't knock your teeth out, just here, done. And that's it. She's got a new skill.
Useless skill.
Got your mates down here. He's got his that. Yes. It's all happening. Got the red gown. She's the queen of the show. So this one's got she's got some fake Babylons in there for some reason. Don't know why. She's alright though. You give her a little wave when I make eye contact. Ah, he is one of the two. Yeah.
I wonder which one you're going to take.
Where's the bird where the Babylons are? These are bamboo rifles. Got Raiden over here. Raiden wins. Welders. Where the fuck have we walked into? Great photo time. It's all happening. There's a girl with the babs. Don't know why she's got like blue Babylons, but I'm sure it's funny. Oh man, I missed it. Well done, lads. Hello. All right, it is about 6 p.m. Just watching a bit of my mate David Attenborough. Got to be up at 12 a.m. 6 hours time. So just gonna get a bit of rest now.
Don't turn it on me, I'm taking my top off.
Oh mate, and then we've got some exercise to do. Oh, I shouldn't have eaten all of that dinner just now.
Turn it to shit in a bit.
Oh, you had to roll me up the hill back to the room. But I am probably going to have to do a wild po tomorrow. My second volcano po up there, so that'd be good.
There's toilets at every stop and there's 4 stops.
Yeah, I ain't using them squatty things, so I'd rather just do it in the wild. Anyway,
I think you'll have proper toilets.
we'll see in a little while. Cheerio for now.